Dip a lemon in salt and rub it on your shower faucet. Your bathroom will shine like new again. No store-bought cleaner can give you this kind of freshness. Stubborn stains and buildup that accumulate over time don't have to mean endless scrubbing. A simple kitchen ingredient is enough to tackle even the toughest marks. Cut the lemon in half. Lemon has antibacterial properties, brightens surfaces, and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Press 1/2 into table salt. The salt acts as a natural abrasive that removes dirt and limescale. With gentle, circular motions, scrub the faucet. The combination of lemon and salt works like a natural scrub sponge that can handle even hard-to-remove discoloration. This trick is also great for cleaning the toilet seat or sink faucets, where water stains and deposits often appear. You can also use it to refresh stone or stainless steel surfaces that lose their shine over time. Finally, just wipe everything with a damp cloth and dry it with a paper towel. Use this method regularly, and your bathroom will always stay shiny, fresh, and free of stubborn buildup.